Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every week and today I am very excited because I am obsessed with these shoes. As you can see by the title of this video, we are going to be unboxing and styling the New Balance 550 sneakers, specifically in the shade or color, however you want to say, Au Lait. That's me trying to translate French. I looked up how to say it and please don't hold that against me because I definitely mispronounced it, but I am going to be showing you a video overlay of me unboxing these sneakers and then going into the styling portion of this video. I got these for Christmas and I knew I wasn't going to be filming this video on Christmas and I wanted to wear them the day after, so that's why the unboxing portion of this video happened prior, but I'm actually really happy I did that because I can talk to you guys about how they've been wearing and how comfortable they are. So let's just hop on in. These were purchased from StockX and I will leave a couple links in the description below of where you can purchase these. I'm sure if you guys know the New Balance 550s, you know that they're very hard to snag as like just a regular purchase. A lot of the times you have to purchase them through a third party. As always, they came in a box within a box with the New Balance box and it had the StockX tag on there. Taking a first look at the shoe, it's actually a lot more flexible than I expected. It kind of looks like a clunkier, heavier sneaker when I see it on other people, but there is definitely some wiggle room and some stretch that can happen with the shoes. And a big thing that I love about these is that they're multiple tones. So you have some suede areas, you have the leather areas, rubber. It's just a very complex shoe and I picked out this color because I have so many white sneakers, and as you're gonna see by the styling portion of this video, there's so many different things that you can do with these sneakers and specifically this shade of the sneaker. These are the bad boys right here. I have given them some love already and worn them around the town. I've worn them to the mall to go get coffee, and I have to say there actually was maybe like a day or two of breaking them in. My feet do tend to swell a little bit when I walk around a lot, and I feel like this flap part right here, it kind of left a mark on my foot when I took them off the first couple times. These are of course a unisex shoe and I got them in an 8 women's. I typically wear an 8. One thing to just keep in mind is that this part is that like suede material, so this part could probably get damaged a little bit easier if you're in like a wet surface. I'm actually someone who doesn't mind getting my sneakers a little bit dirty, nothing crazy, but if they have a little wear and tear on them, I'm not mad. Alright, let's get into the portion of this video where I show you guys these sneakers on my feet and let's style a few outfits. Okay, let's hop into the styling portion of this video, starting with one of my favorite fits. I feel like these pants just go so nicely with these shoes and I can't wait to wear them out. These are the Aritzia Melina leather pants in the shade Cognac. I talked about these in a previous video, and just a Tomboy Tee from Cuts. I know this looks like a very basic fit, but I feel like it's almost effortless chic. I like don't want to take this outfit off. I just want to wear it for the rest of the day. I feel like I look like a Pilates girly right now and I'm living for it because that's what I strive to be in my everyday life. This next outfit is definitely more on the basic side and I'm sure a lot of you already have these pieces in your closet. First thing being just a simple black athletic crop top. This one is from Girlfriend Collective, and then some simple black leggings. These ones are actually by the brand Terez, which a lot of people haven't heard of, but the quality is amazing. And if you decide you want to purchase these sneakers in a different shade and not that like coffee orangey color, this exact set would look perfect with any New Balance 550s. I could also see this being paired with a flare pair of leggings because who doesn't love flare everything right now? I'm gonna be mentioning Cuts clothing a couple times throughout this video because they just have the most quality, minimal, basic clothing, and that is truly my entire style. I'm really into investing quality pieces that I can rewear and intertwine with other pieces in my closet, and I am so beyond excited to share that I am a Cuts ambassador right now, so if you guys want to support me and grab any of these Cuts pieces that I've mentioned, you use code Taylor15. Shop around or snag the pieces that you see throughout this video that you really like. I am so beyond excited and I appreciate every single one of you for supporting me, and I am beyond excited to be working with this brand. So on to the next outfit. I'm actually wearing one of their newest women launches, which is their long sleeve, almost Friday tee. The quality is obviously amazing. That's what you just get when you shop cuts, but I am obsessed with the sleeves and how they're a bit oversized. They do make this in a cropped version and a regular version, and I picked out the regular version because I don't wear crop tops all the time. I just paired this with the asymmetrical jeans by Abercrombie and this black vest. Next outfit, I feel like I have outdone myself here because if I could wear this every day, I definitely would. This set is also from Cuts, and this is one of the things that I was so excited about receiving because all of the reviews talk about how amazing the quality is. The biker shorts are not see-through, the shirt is not see-through, so this is the perfect set. The thing that I'm loving about this set is the fact that you can wear it, like dress it up or dress it down. As you can see, I paired it with a blazer. I love the fact that this isn't even pure white, like it's kind of that ivory color, so it just goes so nicely with the shoes. I could wear this top with those leather pants that I showed previously, and it could be a whole nother outfit. I'm literally freaking out because I love it so much. Next outfit is definitely for those who like to wear more of an oversized fit. I feel like I have to really balance these out by either wearing an extremely tight top with loose bottoms or a very oversized top with tighter bottoms. I feel like that kind of proportions me out. With this outfit, I just paired a oversized TNA Aritzia Crewneck sweatshirt. I have way too many of these and I wear them all the time just with some biker shorts from Aerie. If you decide to layer like I did, I just put on this Zara oversized jean jacket. This just adds a little bit of flair to the look, and I also feel like if you over accessorize with something like this, it kind of just ties the outfit together and makes it look a little less basic. The nice thing about these sneakers is that they're neutral and you can wear a lot of neutral tones with them and throw in some warm tones or even cool tone clothing. But as you can see by this video, I did take on the neutral and warm tone vibes. So this outfit right here is the cotton Tomboy Tee in the caramel color, which I think goes perfectly with these sneakers, and the Abercrombie asymmetrical jeans. I've talked about these jeans specifically before because I am so obsessed with them. They fit so nicely and they actually lay really nicely on the sneaker itself. And something like this is just a casual outfit. I definitely have more of a minimal basic style, so this is something that you would catch me in like on the everyday basis. And it's just a great outfit to layer in. Say it's winter time but you want to wear a short sleeve, just layer a jacket over it and you're good to go. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Comment down below your favorite look out of this whole styling video, and again, don't forget to use my code when you're shopping at Cuts. Thank you guys again, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.
Ryan Little.